ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It is a computer program that uses deep learning techniques to analyze and understand text input and generates human-like responses based on that input. The GPT acronym in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to the underlying architecture and training process of the model. ChatGPT has been trained on vast amounts of text data from the internet, including books, articles, and websites, allowing it to generate responses on a wide range of topics. It has the ability to understand context, recognize patterns, and generate responses that are relevant and coherent. ChatGPT is designed to learn and adapt over time, making it increasingly accurate and effective at generating human-like responses to text input.
Go to your browser and write ChatGPT. Click on the first link. Click on Try ChatGPT. Sign up with your email or Google account. After sign up, the ChatGPT interface will be open. Now you can write whatever you want or whatever question you have. If you like this video and want to watch more of this kind of videos, please subscribe to our channel.